Hello, welcome back to our show. We talk about things to help you learn and grow. Shout out to Miss Keynes' class at Lolo Elementary, Montana. Thanks for watching. Your thought of the week is, true friends are like diamonds. School's almost done and vacation is near, but we want to keep learning when summer is here. So I have some skills to share with you for you to practice the whole summer through. The next thing to do when you meet someone new is ask them your name and ask them for theirs too. You may feel like waiting for them to ask you, but they may be scared about asking you too. So asking them first is the best thing to do. Now listen closely. How would you introduce yourself? Thanks for watching, and remember, we're all in this together and we're here to help you through. As long as you keep trying, there is nothing we can't do. Be safe and strong, young diamonds. Have a fantastic day.